Hello, everyone. On behalf of Eduom Scientific, we welcome you all on our e learning platform. This platform is specially designed for our e learning purpose, especially for the students, researcher, scientific professional related to biomedical area and life sciences. Our prime aim is to provide you all with the information and knowledge both in the basic and applied biology area, and it is going to enhance your skill development based on the current job requirements. Many students and researchers still are having a lot of doubts like which subjects or technology and areas are relevant for them. We must understand one thing. We are in a time when we all require interdisciplinary knowledge. Despite the fact either we are coming from basic or technology background, we all should know the significance of interdisciplinary sciences and especially in the current era. For instance, nowadays, if you are from a botany background and you want to perform research in a medicinal plant or say natural therapeutic, you might require knowledge about botany, chemistry, bioinformatics, and advanced technology like nanotechnology and abnormal technology for targeting these drugs into the specific areas in a in our human system. Okay. In general, if we talk about biotechnology or bioinformatics students and researchers, if you want to come to research or want to go abroad or want to come to academia, you must start making your pillars strong in diverse areas. Few of the significant areas which are currently required in R&D sectors are life sciences, microbiology, immunology. In life sciences and biology, both in basic and applied areas, and the professionals candidate will be required in R&D and in academia also. When we talk about microbiology, R&D, pharma, diagnostic, therapeutic sectors require such professional skill manpower. While we talk about immunology, R&D, pharma, these are some of the sector where you can join. In COVID era, we all can understand the significance of these areas and how this is saving the planet Earth in this difficult time. The other areas like biochemistry and biotechnology are also very significant area. We are in a time of industrial revolution 4 and biotech is one of the technology which is under the top 10 technology. Biotechnology is further subdivided into animal biotech, plant biotech, and medicinal biotech, and so on, which is having tremendous scope and opportunity and diverse application for the welfare of the societies. But for this kind of translational and applied research and application, we must understand the basic subjects wisely. Like, suppose you want to perform a genetic engineering or gene cloning. But if you don't have the understanding about the molecular biology, genetics, cell biology, you won't be able to do these simple experiments of cloning in the lab. So, a balance between a basic biology and translational research will be required. Then only we may be able to perform CRISPR technology, gene editing, and such advanced technology we may apply in agriculture areas, plant areas, and biomedical sector areas. Biomedical area requires people with skills related to pharmacology also, toxicology also, along with the understanding about the biological and life sciences. So in a current time, if you want to perform in silico drug designing, or say, for instance, if you want to make a drug development, you should understand chemistry, life sciences, because these drugs are going to interact, and these interaction is going to made by certain bonds, and then either you are performing a wet lab experiment or dry lab experiment. We require these kind of experimentation and analysis of the data. That's the reason I was emphasizing we have to understand other interdisciplinary areas, despite the fact whether you are coming from botany, biology, life sciences department, or whether you are doing chemistry. Maybe you are from chemistry background, but if you want to come to the pharma and if you want to develop a drug, You should know which pathogen you are handling with, what is the host of that pathogen, and so on. On parallel to basic subject knowledge about advanced areas and technology areas are also must in a current time. In current time, data, especially the big data revolution is happening everywhere. So adapting in such subject area is also must. Nowadays, life science people will be required to understand such data, and precision diagnostic, genetic testing, and other personalized medicines will be developed based on that. Not only this, not only this, developing smart sensor instrument devices which are cost effective, efficient in handling, are also in demands, and people with such kind of interest and skills will be easily absorbed in the R&D sector. So people with interest in biomedical and bioengineering can explore areas like nanotech, IoT, aptamer technology, etc. Now coming to research and career scope, either you can join R&D or biomedical area. So people who are having diagnostic interest or therapeutic interest, they can apply and go to these areas. While doing biomedical research and drug development, many people are also required for clinical research for testing these drugs. Other than that, product development, bioengineering, connection of these devices with other technology, advanced technologies like sensor technology, nanotechnology, aptamer technology, for real time and remote applications will be required. If you are having an interest in academia, you can become faculty. And other than that, if you are good in data, you can come to the data sciences, because mostly biological people are not very comfortable with biological data, and huge amount of data analysis we have to perform for precision diagnostic and genetic testing and for developing a personalized medicine. So those people who are good in data will be required in a current time. Those people who are good in scientific writing is also having a lot of career scope. People who are good in patent, or who are good in innovations, who are good in stuff. So many of the ministries and government helps and scientific organization are helping and boosting innovative drives and startups. So you can plan accordingly. We at Aduom Scientific provide you all diverse training and learning module based on these things, so that you will be comfortable in both basic biology and applied areas. Interested students and researchers are requested to contact us for more details, and we shall be providing you more information in our upcoming areas. Thank you.